This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake using a steamer. First, ensure your springform pan is properly sealed to prevent water from entering. Wrap the bottom and sides of your pan tightly with 2 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil. This creates a protective barrier for your delicious dessert. Steaming offers a unique, gentle cooking method, resulting in an incredibly smooth and delicate cheesecake. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional baking. Now let's prepare the batter. Start with softened cream cheese, ensuring it's at room temperature for a lump-free mixture. Gradually add sugar, eggs, and other flavorings, mixing just until combined. Overmixing can introduce too much air, which might affect the cheesecake's texture. Pour your prepared batter into the foil-wrapped springform pan. This careful preparation ensures a consistently smooth and rich cheesecake. For steaming, place your foil-wrapped cheesecake pan on a rack inside a large pot or dedicated steamer. Carefully pour hot water into the pot, ensuring it comes about 1/3 of the way up the sides of your springform pan. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot tightly. Steam the cheesecake for approximately 60 to 90 minutes, or until the center is mostly set with a slight jiggle. Once steamed, carefully remove the cheesecake from the pot and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This gradual cooling prevents cracking. After it's fully cooled, transfer the cheesecake to the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Chilling allows the flavors to meld and the texture to firm up beautifully. For more kitchen tips and great deals, including those amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the description below. Enjoy your perfectly steamed cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.